Here's a quick unboxing and setup for the VIOFO A119 V3. I bought this one because two friends have it and they said it was a good quality camera and a pretty good value. Like most dash cams, you're going to need to purchase your own micro SD card in order to save the videos. Let's get into the box. Here is the camera itself, and it's a lot smaller in person than I imagined from the pictures online. I got the one that comes with the GPS unit so that way I could track both location and speed, and it also comes with a manual and some extra instructions before installation to make sure things are working. I wasn't sure what these electrostatic clings were for, but I also wondered about moving or removing the camera and the goo that it might leave behind on the windshield. The idea is that you can attach the clings to the windshield and then the camera to the clings. That makes it so you can reposition the camera or remove it altogether without leaving sticky residue behind. And that is a big plus for me. It also comes with a cigarette lighter USB adapter and a 4-meter USB cable. If you're going to use that, you're going to want to make sure that the cigarette lighters lose power when the key is turned off, or remember to unplug it so that way your battery doesn't die while it's parked. They also sell a Hardwire Kit that I used, which makes sure that it shuts off before your battery drains and keeps your cigarette lighters free for other things. It also comes with 2 additional mounts in case you have another car, but they don't have GPS, so you won't get speed or location if you use them. They come with these cable holders for routing and securing the USB cable, another short USB cable, and some additional stickers for the mount. Let's test the unit before putting it in the car. If you aren't using GPS, the USB plugs into the camera right here. If you are using GPS, you'll plug it into the GPS unit and that'll power both the GPS and the dash cam. One thing that I learned is that this unit turns on automatically once it has power, and I kept hitting the power button and turning it back off. So be patient and let it do its thing. The first step is formatting the micro SD card, which will erase the contents and make it writable by the dash cam, and it'll start recording automatically once that's finished. The two main settings I changed to meet my needs was to set the resolution and then the bitrate to high to get the best quality video. And that's going to fill up the SD card faster, but it was worth the trade-off for me. Now the dash cam is going to automatically delete the oldest recordings once it's full, so that just means I'm going to have a shorter history on the card. I tweaked a few more of the settings and it was ready to run in my car.